Every year, my wife Anna bakes a homemade birthday cake for all of her kids' birthdays. But this year, she's bedbound because she's just out of surgery. So it's been left to me to sort out the cake. Now, I'm not great at following instructions.
Okay, seriously? This could be a problem.
So, I've drafted in some help. Wish us luck.
Apparently, this is 3 simple steps. Step 1. First, you need to butter this. Scrape it around. Put the eggs in and then toast it. Step 2. You have to open the box. I want to. Okay. I don't have it open. Okay. Calm down, Mother. So you need 120 milliliters of vegetable oil. Just this magically. That will take all day. 120 grams of melted butter and 230 milliliters of water or 230 milliliters of milk. And 3 medium eggs. Parentals are coming.
I'm gonna guess that's it because this thing starts at 200. There's no 125. It doesn't go low enough. We're doing a little bit of guesswork. All right.
Estimating.
What
if it tastes like crumble? Yeah. I don't like drinking milk, so. But we're gonna use it even if you don't like with other things. Like when you eat cereal and then you get the dust bit. I don't eat cereal, but I don't eat a lot of things. I'm stuffing this in my mouth like this.
Okay, we cannot find the weighing scale, but this plant-based butter is 250 grams, 120.
We need to put
Well, we know that if I chop this in half, it's 125. If you want to be a pro, put it in the wrapper. You're like, whoa, that guy really knows what he's doing. He chopped that in half with the wrapper on. So let's pour our 125 potential milliliters of oil in here. Ready? Up to 200 and up. This is a bit of a guessing game.
Well, no, get rid of some.
So you take the egg, okay, crack it off a flat surface, and then plop it in.
What if the shell is?
No, if you crack it in a corner, you'll get shell. Bang it in there. No, what do you don't peel it off.
Okay.
No, that's just gonna smash.
Can I try?
Right, tap, don't be afraid, Yes, perfect. Let it in. Oh! All right, fair enough. Cool. Everything's great, everything's fantastic. We're just gonna like slice it in. Melted butter. We've made a terrible mistake. We need to take this back out.
We're gonna need some help mixing this. I'm the help.
You guys, what has happened here? I thought you were the helper. This is called whisking. This time we have melted butter.
Melted.
Ooh. Edie and Alessia, you guys are on whisking duty. Emilia, you're the pourer.
All of it.
All of it in. Nice. Fold it in.
You do it.
Okay. Gotta fold it in.
It's heavy. Now can I try? Well, I don't actually need one. You did the same.
Okay, I need spatulas.
Spatula.
Okay, just one spatula. Oh, this is not for eating.
Oh.
You all got excited there. This is not for eating.
Yes. Yeah,
Can't lick this batter.
I'm not going to, even though I probably would if I was unsupervised.
Exactly, that's why I'm here. All right, the birthday boy has arrived. He's supervising what we've got here. So here is what we have made. What do you think? Wait, no! Don't just, it said no eating the batter.
So what one am I putting this?
Put him in the second one, the one in Edie's one. Now we wait.
Welcome back!
Edie and Dre, you guys do this part here. Spread it out. Spread it out. Don't ruin the cake. Don't ruin the cake. Okay. The top one.
Let's see.
All right, pretty good. Top here like a sandwich. As the birthday boy, would you like to taste a little bit of the cake there and tell us what you think? Try a bit of cake, please.
Yeah. I like it.
Is it good? What do you think? Out of 10, what would you give it?
10 meaning the best.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
She's gonna say happy birthday. Deep or Daddy? Daddy's gonna put it on.
No, that's the wrong way round. Okay, now we need to put on the candles, and I am scared for my dear life. Okay, now JJ, come here, push down. You guys did a good job.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dre.
Happy birthday to my little fella Andrea. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and leave comments and like the video because it really helps us out. Bye bye.